At Eventin, we value your feedback more than anything. Recently, some of our users have experienced cache-related issues on event pages, particularly where the ticket module doesn't fully appear or disappears after the page loads, as shown here. So, how can you fix it if you encounter the same problem? Don't worry, our team has come up with a quick and effective solution. On the affected event page, right-click and select View Page Source. Now, search for the term Module Purchase. Once you find it, locate the associated URL and copy it. Head back to your WordPress dashboard. Open the cache plugin you're using, in our case, it's LiteSpeed Cache, and paste that URL segment into the exclude list. But remember to keep this portion of your URL. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, return to the event page and refresh it. And there you go. The ticket module now loads perfectly, with no issues. We hope you found this short tutorial helpful. For more tutorials, tips and tricks, don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content.